This is Nuclear
Power
with Siah
and Trevor.
with Company. What is nuclear power? Nuclear energy comes from a process called fission, which is the splitting of uranium atoms. Fission releases energy that produces steam, which is used in a turbine to generate electricity. Uranium is considered a non-renewable resource, and it takes a very long time to replenish.
How nuclear energy affects our Earth. Nuclear power plants do not emit carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, or nitrogen oxides, but emit fossil fuel that comes from uranium. Nuclear power plants use large amounts of water for steam production and for cooling. Heavy metals and salts are part of the water pollutants, as well as the higher temperature of the water that is emitted from the power plant, which negatively affect water quality and aquatic life. Every 18 to 24 months, nuclear power plants must shut down to remove and replace the spent uranium fuel. This spent fuel has released most of its energy as a result of the fission process and has become radioactive.
Go.
Benefits and negatives of nuclear energy. The advantages are that nuclear power generation does emit relatively low amounts of carbon dioxide, and the emissions of the greenhouse gas from nuclear power plants are relatively little. It also generates a high amount of electrical energy in one single plant, so it's pretty much worth it.
The disadvantages are the problem with radioactive waste is still an unsolved one. The waste from nuclear energy is extremely dangerous and is hard to be carefully looked after for several thousands of years. The consequences of an accident were absolutely devastating both for humans as for nature. Uranium, the source of energy for nuclear power, is available on Earth in only limited quantities. So, in conclusion, we believe that our position, we believe that nuclear energy is disadvantages outweighs advantages because of its limited supply, and then that the waste lasts for thousands of years and is extremely toxic.
So, going through the pros and cons, the cons outweigh the pros